Dubai, a bustling metropolis situated on the southeast coast of the Arabian Gulf, is one of the 7 emirates that comprise the United Arab Emirates, UAE. Renowned for its opulence, innovation, and stunning architecture, Dubai has transformed itself from a modest trading post to a global hub for finance, tourism, and commerce. Despite its modern-day image, Dubai is deeply rooted in Arabian heritage and culture. The city has managed to strike a delicate balance between preserving its traditions and embracing rapid modernization. Iconic landmarks. Dubai is renowned for its stunning and iconic landmarks that showcase its architectural marvels and grandeur. Burj Khalifa, towering at a height of 828 meters, 2,717 feet. The Burj Khalifa is the world's tallest building. Located in the heart of downtown Dubai, this iconic skyscraper dominates the city's skyline. It houses luxurious hotels, residential apartments, corporate offices, and observation decks that offer breathtaking views of Dubai and the surrounding landscapes. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an artificial archipelago that resembles a palm tree and is one of the 3 palm islands constructed off the coast of Dubai. It features high-end residential properties, luxury hotels, and resorts, including the Atlantis, the Palm. The island is a remarkable engineering feat that has become an emblem of Dubai's ambition. The World Islands. Also, an artificial archipelago, the World Islands consist of a collection of small islands shaped like a world map. Situated off the coast of Dubai, this unique development aims to provide exclusive private properties and resorts. Each island represents a different country and offers a lavish retreat for the wealthy and famous. Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall is not only one of the largest shopping malls globally but also an entertainment and leisure destination. Situated next to the Burj Khalifa, it features over 1,200 retail outlets, including high-end designer stores and a wide variety of dining options. The mall also houses attractions like the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo and the Dubai Ice Rink. Burj Al Arab, often referred to as the world's only 7-star hotel, the Burj Al Arab stands on an artificial island just off Jumeirah Beach. Shaped like a sail of a dhow, traditional Arabian boat, this luxurious hotel is an architectural marvel. It offers unparalleled luxury, with opulent suites, fine dining restaurants, and an array of exclusive amenities. Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a man-made canal city with a stunning waterfront promenade, surrounded by impressive skyscrapers. It is a popular residential area and a vibrant lifestyle destination with a mix of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. The marina's centerpiece is the Cayenne Tower, an 80-story twisting skyscraper that grabs attention with its unique design. Dubai Frame. Located in Zabil Park, the Dubai Frame is an iconic structure that offers a glimpse of the city's past, present, and future. Shaped like a gigantic picture frame, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of old Dubai to the north and the modern city to the south from its observation deck. Dubai is renowned as a top-notch tourist destination, offering a wide range of attractions, entertainment options, and activities that cater to visitors from all walks of life. The city's commitment to providing world-class experiences has made it a sought-after travel hotspot. Here's more about tourism and entertainment in Dubai. Luxury hotels and resorts. Dubai is synonymous with luxury, and its hotels and resorts reflect this reputation. The city is home to some of the world's most luxurious and iconic hotels, such as the Burj Al Arab, Atlantis, the Palm, and the Jumeirah Beach Hotel. These establishments offer opulent accommodations, top-notch dining experiences, and exceptional amenities, ensuring a lavish stay for guests. Desert safaris. Dubai's desert landscape provides the perfect backdrop for adventurous desert safaris. Tourists can enjoy exhilarating dune-bashing rides in 4x4 vehicles, sandboarding, camel rides, and traditional Bedouin-style desert camps with cultural performances and authentic Arabian cuisine. Cultural experiences. While Dubai is known for its modernity, it also offers a glimpse into its rich cultural heritage. Tourists can visit the Dubai Museum, located in the Al Fahidi Fort, to learn about the city's history and traditional way of life. The Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding offers cultural tours and authentic Emirati meals to promote cross-cultural understanding. Shopping extravaganza. Dubai is a shopper's paradise, offering a diverse range of shopping experiences. Apart from the traditional souks, visitors can explore modern shopping malls like the Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirates, and Dubai Marina Mall, housing a plethora of international brands and luxury boutiques. Global events and festivals. Dubai hosts numerous international events and festivals throughout the year. The Dubai Shopping Festival, Dubai Food Festival, Dubai International Film Festival, currently on hiatus, and Dubai Jazz Festival are just a few of the events that attract visitors from around the world. Dubai's strategic location, excellent infrastructure, and business-friendly policies have transformed it into a significant global financial center. The city serves as a regional headquarters for numerous multinational corporations and hosts several international conferences and events. Dubai's allure is heightened by its cosmopolitan and diverse population. People from over 200 nationalities reside in the city, creating a vibrant and multicultural atmosphere. Dubai's meteoric rise from a modest trading port to a global metropolis is nothing short of remarkable. Its commitment to innovation, dedication to preserving its heritage, and ambitious vision for the future have firmly placed Dubai on the world map. As the city continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly maintain its allure as an alluring destination, where modernity and tradition seamlessly coexist. Thanks for watching.